So this, see all the power cables here. The power cables, we have USB and power outlet 12 volt. The power outlet 12 volt 180 W max, and power outlet 12 volt, the highest volt, that is the fast charger. Then I'll show you which plug you can plug in it. This plug is actually in for the power outlet. See the power outlet 12 volt 180. Open it. You'd open it, and now just plug it in like that. So it goes on. That's how it works. And there's the next cable, the USB section. The USB cable is the 2.0, and there's a HDMI signal cable that you use a HDMI cable and plug in your computer. And the last one of all is the other USB. So you can plug 2 USB in this car. Okay, see you next time.